Hello, welcome to Phone Online. Today I'm going to show you how to make a call with the netphone online app. The app is the infrastructure behind the scenes that makes everything connect to voice over IP and ultimately your phone over the internet. Here I got a setup of a Panasonic basic phone connected to a Linksys 1200 AC router broadband modem connected to the Australian NBN National Broadband Network. As you can see, we have attempted to dial from Phone Online netphone app to a Australian mobile phone number. Visit our website www.phoneonline.com.au. Thank you.